Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can remove unwanted object from our video using Inshot application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project in my Inshot application, and for example guys, I'm going to remove this phone from my video. First of all, we need to overlay this video with the same video. We can go to this VIP option and we have to select the same video. Okay, now the video has been added to my project, and we can click on this autofill button to fit the screen or to get the full screen. Once we're done, we can go to mask option. We're going to use the mask to cover the unwanted object. We can choose the type of the mask right here, and I'm gonna go with the circle mask. Then we can resize the mask like this. We're going to take another part of the video to cover the unwanted object, and I think this part will be suitable to cover my unwanted object. Then we can click on the check mark and just drag the mask to cover the unwanted object. Feel free to rotate it if you need. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with the result. Okay, and I think it looks perfect. Then if you're still not satisfied with the result, actually you can go to adjust and you can adjust the lightness. First of all, you need to select folder, and then you can click on adjust. Then here you just need to adjust the lightness to make it more natural. You can also adjust the contrast. Okay, once you're done, you can click on the check mark, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove unwanted object from our video using Inshot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.